Knowing the difference between dirty and clean water is pretty obvious. However, cleaning this water to become this water is pretty challenging. And because of this, 1 million people die per year due to contaminants in this. My project aims to reduce such unnecessary deaths and save countless more lives in the process. Hello, judges. My name is Jocelyn Mathew, and I am from Fairmont Private School in Anaheim Hills. My science fair project is about optimizing wastewater treatment using microbial fuel cells. Within the boundaries of my research, a DCMFC, short for double chamber microbial fuel cell, consists of two compartments, the anode chamber and the cathode chamber. These two chambers are separated by a proton exchange membrane. The goal of my experiment is to purify wastewater and generate electricity. In the anode chamber, microorganisms consume organic matter in the wastewater. This digestion reduces the pollutant concentration in the water. As a byproduct, the bacteria generate electrons, hydrogen ions, and carbon dioxide. My project aims to optimize this technology by assessing 4 anodes for their effectiveness: aluminum, zinc, iron, and nickel. My hypothesis is that if aluminum is the anode in the DCMFC, then it'll yield the highest increase in the concentration of the cathodic substrate because it has the highest electrical conductivity, bacterial adherence, and corrosion resistance. The following materials were used in conducting my experiment. Each of the 4 anodes were tested 3 times for 120 hours. The voltage output and TDS were measured every 12 hours. In my research, I discovered that zinc had the highest voltage output, reaching over 1,200 millivolts. As I analyzed my TDS graph, I realized that aluminum initially had a higher TDS for the first 60 hours, but then was eventually surpassed by zinc. With the surpassing of aluminum for the last 90 hours, my hypothesis was not fully supported. This could have happened because the anode was submerged in an acidic substrate, and it could have degraded its passive layer. This layer attracts bacteria and thus helps generate electricity. Potential errors in my experiment could have been the uncontrolled factors of temperature and light exposure. Because I reasoned that the aluminum anode underperformed due to its degradation, I'd be interested in knowing how to combat this issue. I hope my experiment and research will bring us one step closer to the fight against climate change and one step closer towards helping humanity through science. Thank you.